Years ago that I'd be married again and have a beautiful baby and be the happiest I've ever been, I'd tell you that was bullshit. Now if you ask me if I'd do it again, I'd tell you exactly the same way. I'd do it every single time.
And connection to each other. There's a visible memento you keep with you to signify your commitment and display to others. Dominique, please place the ring on Griffin's finger and repeat after me. Griffin, I offer this ring to you as a symbol of my love and of the vows I have just spoken. And with it, I join my life to yours. Griffin, please place the ring on Dominique's finger and repeat after me. Dominique, I offer this ring to you as a symbol of my love and of the vows I have just spoken. And with it, I join my life to yours. It has been my honor to officiate this ceremony this evening, and now I get to say something you've been looking forward to hearing for a very long time. I now pronounce you best friends, husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.